what up, what up? That's the 3090, baby. And a gaming rig ready to go. Pumping out 117 mega hash. Man, this is my new mining rig setup. Man, I got it all ready to go, overclocked, popping. Got it all dialed in on the afterburner. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a tour, a whole setup of my gaming setup as well as my mining setup in my apartment. Yo, we cyberpunking it right now, bro. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you smash that like button if you love that cyberpunk lifestyle. You got my 5700 XT mining rig, 8 cards, 1, 2, 3. Yo, this mug slapping. Finally got it really dialed in. Got all of the numbers popping. Doing at least 400 mega hash with this one. Beautiful, beautiful cards. Right now, the market is crazy. Each card going for $1,200 on eBay right now. Every single one of these cards, $1,200. Crazy, crazy expensive. My room is a little dirty. I've been grinding, bro. Check out the dial in if you're trying to find out my setup. Yo, let's dial it up. I had it undervolted, so we're gonna turn it up a little bit so you can see. Usually during the day, I undervolted and I ride it down, but at night I turn it up. So we're gonna turn up for Night City. 400 mega hash. All right. And no, I didn't do the BIOS mods and none of that. I'm cool with leaving it stock because I don't feel like bricking my cards. It costs too much to be playing around with all of that right now. And I got the little window fan pulling in cool air from outside. More like a little window fan, nothing serious, but you know, it's cool. It keeps it cool from up here. So, you know, welcome to my secret lab. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. Let me show you basically, this is my gaming setup. My 2K monitors on the left, my 4K monitors on the right. And then I got my mining rig right behind me. And basically, I play my games in here. I film, I stream, I do everything in here. And then you got your 5700 XT rig right behind it. And I got my 3090 in the gaming, you know, computer. The PC is slapping. So I saw, you know, got that popping at the PS5 over there. You know, 60-inch screen, HDR, 4K screen, playing my games. You know how to keep it real with the RGB, everything, you know what I'm saying, gaming. So you guys are probably wondering, like, you know, what exactly is the point of all of this? What is the point of all of this? So this is for passive income, trying to make money from mining Ethereum, you know what I'm saying? So we mining Ethereum right now. I'm not new to this, I've been at this for a while. So right here, we just added the 3060 Ti's and also a 3080. At first, I was just building my system up. This is not the full system. It's just that I'm getting ready to move to another place, and I didn't really want to like wait for the mining frame to get here, so I just slapped it together on a bacon rack. And this was my original setup. You can see we were only getting like 340 mega hash with just this setup and 5 cards. So I was trying to, the problem I'm running into is the electrical issue in this apartment that I'm in. It wasn't a way for me to have more rigs plugged up because I only had a 2-bedroom. So I'm upgrading to a 3-bedroom, and I'm getting ready to throw in all these 3080s that I bought to add to the hash rate. Should take us up a whole lot more, at least another 400, 500, or 600 mega hash. You know, that'll help get the money coming in real fast. You know what I'm saying? I just slid in it right before the scalpers bumped the price up even more. I ended up paying like $1,700, $1,600 per card. It's crazy. And I got my 1600 watt EVGA. I got a Pentium. I mean, you know, I got the Core the i5. You know what I'm saying? I got the Asus Prime board. And I got a 500 gigabyte hard drive SSD, and I got like 16 gigs of RAM for the 3080 rig I'm building. But for right now, we just gonna slap all this together on the rack and just run it on my other rig. So over time, I'm gonna build this rig up even more and more and more. And when I move into the 3-bedroom, I'll be able to add more cards to this setup. My goal is to try to get to 4 Ethereum a month. Right now, I believe, I'm gonna show you where we are right now. This is a big ass 3060 Ti right there. Yeah, it's a big ass one. Those other ones only got 2 fans and this one had 3 fans. All right, so basically we start this whole thing off by trying to figure out exactly how much am I gonna get. We got the 85700 XT so far turned on. All right, and then we got the, well, actually I need to change that to, well, I got 6 3080s, but the 3090 isn't on here, so I'm just gonna add 1 extra 3080 as if it was a 3090, and it's okay. Then we got 6 3060s, okay? So we're gonna see what kind of hash rate this bring in, and you can pretty much see that, you know, the reason why you want more hash rate is because you can solve more algorithm and you can get more money that way. So we got 1.4 mega hash, you know, 1400 mega hash, which is 1.4 giga hash. And that's a decent amount. Like, most people can't really get to that number. That's a high number for an apartment inside your apartment. And I think I can do more than that. I'm gonna try to get to like 2 giga hash or 2.5 in my 3-bedroom. We're gonna work on that over time, but this is a slow roll. Let me show you how much this thing, profitability for a mining rig setup like this, basically a mining farm, making 0.0971 Ethereum per day for approximately $186 a day profit, around that range between 178 and 186. And yeah, I got a light bill I gotta pay, but it's non-existent with all the money you make from this. So this is the current hash rate that we mining at, 1.2 mega hash, 1200 mega hash. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. But like, the reason why it's not all the way up is because, like I said, if I plug up the rest of the 3080s and I plug up the rest of the cards, it's gonna snap up the circuit breakers. And I can't really afford to be snapping up the circuit breakers right now. So here we go right here. You can see I've been mining all day, all week, all this time. We slowly adding more and more hashing power. And then this tell you the workers, you can see my workers, and they pretty much get that exact thing. I name my workers after planets. It's just fun. I don't know, I love planets and outer space, so that's just what I do. You can select the payments, and you can see I'm getting 0.04 ETH every other day or every day. You know, so with this hash rate, I should be able to get it twice a day. When I get done, I should be able to make 2 payouts a day from Ethereum, which is around $89-$90 a day, so around 180 a day. And so, I mean, that's really good money. It's passive. You're not doing nothing. You just, you know, you chilling. I could be trading. I could be gaming on my YouTube, making YouTube videos at the same time. You're making $90 twice a day, you know. So here goes my hash rates as of right now. This is going to be bumped up a lot more once we hook up the rest of the 3080s, because I'm going to have basically a 3060 rig, a 3080 rig. I got the 3090 in my gaming computer. I just let that mine whenever I'm not playing. And then I got the 85700 XT rig. And then I'm probably finna grab those 3060s that's coming out from NVIDIA to add to this little smaller cards, just because, you know, couldn't really get too many of these really good cards because they're so expensive. And, you know, everybody is mining right now. This is a crazy epidemic, you know, like with the mining, everybody is like really trying to get their money up. This is really nice because on top of that, guys, I might have spent like 15, 16,000 buying all of this equipment. With the 5700 XTs, I spent maybe like, you know, 35 or 4,500 on that. So altogether, this whole setup is like 20 grand. And when you price it out right now, if I put all this stuff back up for sale right now, I could get 35,000 for it. So I got everything. I keep all my boxes. Everything is straight. I'm gonna slap all of this up in my YouTube studio so you guys can see like what I'm doing. So this is pretty much the rig right now. I added the 3080s at the bottom. Those are running right now. Real pretty cards, pretty. 100 mega hash per card, or around 96, 98, around that range. Pretty good hash rates. You know, so I'm bouncing the signal. I mean, for the most part, we're trying to make big money off of this as of right now. getting a total of like, 4,600, about around 2.5 Ethereum per month is being made from this. Now, whatever Ethereum goes up to, that's how much the pay gonna be. So if Ethereum was to go to 5,000, that would mean, 12,500 a month is how much this whole system would make. If Ethereum was to go to 10,000 per coin, then I would get still 2.5 Ethereum. Or, like I said, when I move to the 3-bedroom, it's going to be 3 Ethereum. So then that would be just straight flush, $30,000 from this whole setup. So that's the reason why miners mine, because we looking at the big profit in the future. We're not necessarily looking at what it make today. Making $180 a day ain't really nothing. We just pretty much like save that and let it times itself by 10 in the future. So this is 700 mega hash is now, when I showed you earlier, it was 300. Now it's bumped up. Here's my overclock settings. Here's my, minus settings. And both the 3060 and the 3080 is on the same motherboard running at the same time on Afterburner, all 8 cards. So you can set it like that, man. So I got it going, I got it finally popping. If you guys have any questions, man, drop that in the comments, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button if you like the setup, man. So look how many shares, man. And zero rejections, 0 stale shares, just 11,006, like constantly running, So anyway, man, smash that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed this. Man, love y'all, man. When we move to the next room, I'm gonna show you my rigs all over again. But it's gonna be a full complete system, and it's not gonna be hanging off a bake rack. Anyway, this is my nice city, baby. CyberPunk style mining nephew. Peace.